It's filming now.
You's rolling?
It's rolling.
Okay.
Rolling.
We're doing shocks today. F53 Ford chassis. Motorhome. Fun stuff.
Yep.
Yep. Ah. All right. Yeah. Piece of cake, right? Oh. I got this loose. If I still had tension on that shock mount, I wouldn't take this bolt. Well, I couldn't take it all the way out, or I wouldn't try to. But I can see that there's no tension at all on that shock right now. So I can completely remove it without it springing out of there or being dangerous.
It's a good thing to note that we already have our RV leveled, just for support, I guess.
Alright, there you have it.
That's a big bolt.
Yeah, you don't want to lose your nuts either.
Perfect.
You know what I mean?
That's right.
So you put them right where you won't lose them.
Yep.
Alright, time to get to the top. I'll see you at the top.
Okay.
Alright, who's back?
I think so. Ow!
You alright?
Oh. Alright, there it is. I don't know if y'all can see that. Turn on the light. I can actually see it.
Not a lot of room up here, but this one wasn't super tight, which is good. Helps to soak these down, and I've been soaking them for a couple weeks because I knew this would be the next project. And I'm hoping this slides right out. Look at that. This might be my first 10-minute job that actually takes 10 minutes. All right, we got the Koni 8805 1018 front shocks for the F53 F10 chassis. These are supposed to be the best, or one of the best available. I guess Koni actually just came out with a new version that's better for the newer, larger chassis, but they're not available yet. So this is what we're using. I should say, as of this time, I haven't found them. They're available somewhere because they are out, and I've seen people install them. We noticed it's pre-dented 2 places. Right out of the box.
From the factory.
Ah, we'll blame UPS. And that's just a shield anyway, so not gonna hurt it.
Sometimes it helps to be small.
Yeah.
If you're a larger person, this could be a little more difficult.
Yeah, you might want to call me. Because you ain't fitting under here like me.
Ow. Whack on my head. Right. And what size wrenches are these?
1 1/8.
They are specialty tools, if you will.
You might have them. I don't know. If you've been working on your motorhome, you probably got them, but
Oh, maybe.
I didn't have them. But I did send the wife to the store. She got me the $30 1 1/8 wrench. And then she found at Walmart this, it's called a towing wrench. And it's got 1 1/2 on one side and 1 1/8 on the other side. And that'll do your tow ball. So, you know what? For 10 bucks, does the trick. Don't forget to torque them down. The torque spec is, the torque spec I'm using is the RFT torque spec. That's really fucking tight.
Perfect.
So we just did 6 tires on the rig, and the fronts were scalloped severely, and they were 7 years old. They still had good tread on them, but they were 7 years old. They were scalloped. It was time. And I believe the scalloping was due to the shocks. And we were getting some really bad bouncing
And
rolling, doors falling off the rig.
Yep.
Route 20, Texas,
I-20.
Louisiana,
Yeah.
bullshit roads. So we're hoping between the tires and shocks, it's gonna ride like a Cadillac. All right. Alright, there we have it. That's tight. Hi.
Hi. Oh, fuck.
Alrighty. That'll do it. Was halfway there.
And off to the other side.